Thank you. You don't want it. Ew! You have boogers on your nose. Ew, no. Ew, no. Ew.
Mommy, change came off.
Your sock came off? Okay. You're right there. Your brother's blowing boogers. Okay, that's disgusting. Ew. Yuck. No, thank you.
Mommy.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Ow!
That's not nice. Oh, thank you, my son. Oh, my son. Oh, thank you. Hey!
Hi, little baby. How's it going? How is it going over there? Is everything going good?
But to put your hands together, little boy.
Oh, look at your little lip. Look at your little lip. What? What are you doing?
Well, you trying to figure out how to get toward Nippy?
You want to be turned around? You don't want...
But Nikki got the camera in her hand. She ain't trying to pick up the baby.
Okay, maybe I'll pick it.
Ugh, that's gross. Nasty.
Say hi, dear Shadow. Hold on, I'll get in a minute. Say hi. Oh, say hi, Shadow. You scared of it? Yeah. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Shadow. You scared of your shadow? Hi. Hi, JDJ. Say hi. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Oh,
knees and
he's
toes.
choking. No, he's a...
Oh, you okay? Oh, there it is. Thanks.
Go, yeah.